Okay, this is the third part. In the case of the trading car, I'd like to be able to select any of these, and I should end up with the year and the cost. So let's exit and see what we can do. First of all, let's get the name. There we go. Copy the name, and let's select event, action, and action perform right in there, using an if statement as well. Undo that. First of all, let's use an if statement. If this dot, let's say get selected item. If the selected item equals dot equals, and this time around let's go for the very first one, which is 1. I think it's 1 to 5,000, something like that. Curly braces. Now I need the name of all of these. If the selected item is that, okay, what is the name? This is, let's say, the year. So the year is just going to be standard, and the cost, let's say the cost. Okay, let's copy the cost, and let's go back there and just enter the cost. In this case is going to be what? Dot set text. So for a car that has between 1 and 5,000 mileage, let's say the cost of that is going to be, let's go for, well, you automatically lost £3,000 immediately. I think it might be more than that. Let's say 10,000. Too bad. Too bad. Although it does depend on the car, but it's too bad. That's how it is out there. And let's just base the year on. Let's base the year on this. The year itself is just gonna be for 2018. Dot set text, and that will be 2018. There. Okay, that's for the very first one. So we can just copy this across, and this is going to be from 5,100. There might be a space in there, I don't know. 5,100 to what? We need to find that out. So let's come in here and just say, okay, it's 5,100, 5,002, between 5,100 and 20,000. So let's come back in here. Just change this to that. Right. So the next one. So let's say you lost about 15 there, and come back in here. This is 45 plus, oh, 21,050, 21,500. Let's come in here. That's 21,000, between 21,000 50,000. Now 20,000 and 50,000. Okay, let's come to the next one. This is the next one, from 50,001 to 100,000. Okay, let's put that there, paste that in there, and copy this. Another one there, and cut this off. I have to get it right. Now there's one more, and this one is 100,000 plus. Then we then assign some values into it. There we go. Okay, let's give it some values. This one is 10,000, 15,000, and this is 20,000. Okay, let's see. Yeah, alright then, that's 20,000. That's what you lost in that car. Maybe this one is going to be 25. Or we can just make it 22, and this is 25,000. I think all of this should be in quotes. Let's come back and put them in quotes. So repeat the same thing for the rest. Okay, let's see. Okay, that is fine. Okay, all we need to do now is to try it out. Let's run it and see how it's going to look like. Okay, so when I select this, let's say the car mileage is between 20,000 and 50,000. So that is what you lost, and that will be deducted from whatever car you're buying. Alright, I think this one is wrong. Let's see the other ones. Ford, BM, yep. So we need to add one more number to that. That's the mapping. Okay, that's fine. So for this type of car, that's what you get. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Alright. I think it's the other way around. It's the other way around. So let's come back in here and change it all around. So the value for each of these cars, this is like 10,000. Okay, so let's come back in here. So let's say you only get about 200 for that, and let's say about 1,000 plus, and here maybe 2,000. Here 2,000, and here let's make that 2,500, and this one we're gonna make this, let's say 5,000. Yeah, okay, that's much better. Okay then, so what will happen is we then subtract this value from the brand new car you intend to buy. Okay, let's say you want this car. If you want that and you are trading in this, okay, this is subtracted from this, and if you select any of these, it's then added. Okay, so let's do that. We'll come straight into our total to get that done. Come back in here. Right click and select that. Try that again. Okay, right there. Okay, the first thing I would do is I'm going to have to declare, you see all of these, I'm going to make them global variables. So I'm going to cut it out, and let's place it right in here. That's a global variable. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Now, depend on which car is selected. So we're going to have to use an if statement here. Okay, so what's going to happen is if it's Ford, let's see. Okay, let's come in here. I'm going to copy some lines of codes in here to start up with. Then we take it from there. If this is what is selected, come right inside total, paste that in there. If the selection happens to be Ford, this is the cost of Ford, and let's say the other value is nothing selected, then this is what's going to happen. So let's get the name of this. Copy that, and let's come in here and just enter and get selected equals let's say what is in there. Here, trading a car. If it's trading a car, that means you have not selected anything. So the price of the car will be these. Okay, so we want that inside. I think it's JTXT, that. But we then need to work out the tax, and we also want JTXT total, something like that. Yeah, we need that of subtotal as well. So this will be car. We want subtotal JTXT subtotal dot set. Let's set text. That is that of the subtotal. Let's correct that. Okay. If that's that of the subtotal, this is still wrong because we need to carry out some conversion first. Yeah. We're just testing. Let's see what's going to happen. If we have that in here, and this one there's nothing selected, so this is what happened. That comes in there. Okay, but supposing I check this, I want this to be added to this, and it's individual. Okay, reset. Right, all of the reset works. Apart from this, maybe I should copy this and put it in there. Come back in it. Let's just get this one done fast. Proof of ID. Paste the proof of ID right in here. Close that. Yeah. There we go. And let's get rid of this. Delete that. Okay. Now what is the name? No, we don't need that yet. Okay, one other thing I would like to achieve is, you see all of these, they are all standard. car, so they should all be added to this. Only if it's checked, then we have to delete something. So what we need to do is, let's exit and come right in here. You see this? It is very class. That's where I have all of those information. So I'm going to use this very method there. So let's get this class. We're going to call that class in here. Let's come to total. Call that class there. Accessory equals that. So my instant name is going to be accessory equals new accessory. Okay. And then I will add that to plus Ford accessory dot get amount. Right, so I've added everything there. So all of this here is now added to whatever car that is selected. Okay, so let's copy this, paste that there, and supposing if it's, let's say if it's BMW, if it's BMW, then this become BMW as well, BMW, so that changes. And what about this thing that is, what kind of car we're talking about now? Alright, we're talking about Porsche and Aston Martin. Copy those two, bring it down. So we have Porsche there. Porsche and Aston Martin. Okay, let me get rid of this. We don't need that anymore. So copy this and paste it there, and that will be for the Aston Martin. Aston Martin right there, and get rid of this. Okay, let's try it out and see what's going to happen. If it works fine, then we just speed it up and work out the total and the tax. So let's select any of these, and okay, I still need to change the price on that one. Aston Martin, that's good. Reset. Okay, let's go right up here and change the price of this. Let's push. Let's maybe just make it 80 something. Okay, that's fine. Save. All right, but we're still having a problem with the. It's not a problem really. Tax and subtotal. Subtotal is fine. Tax is not fine. We need to work out the tax itself. Okay, to take care of the tax, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this. Let's come in here. It's going to be sort of like, let's put a function there, and this very function has a global variable. That's for my tax. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to copy this, paste it up there, and this will be tax, tax. So let's get this method here. and place the method here and this in bracket, close the bracket there. So that will work out my tax right in here, and we enter the value of the tax right here. Yeah, that's the tax taken care of. We now need total. To get the total, we need to be able to add whatever the tax is plus this. Okay, so I can also just copy all of this, and that will become my total. So let's call that I total. So I total is going to be whatever we have in here plus all of this. Yeah. So that's what I total will be. So to work out the I total, I'm going to copy all of this and paste it right here. Then we enter plus here and change this to I total. Right, that should take care of subtotal. And okay, instead of calling this car, I'm going to change it to subtotal. I subtotal, so that I know what's going on. Just paste that in here. Right, so be here. Okay, tax and subtotal. So that of the Ford thing that is taken care of. So let's come in here, compile and run, and if that works correctly, we just copy it across. Okay, let's try out Ford. Come in here and there. Yeah, you see that, guys? So that is fine. Okay, reset, and that works too. So all I just need to do now is copy all of these and just change the names around. Copy that, come right in here. This is BM, so we just change that to BMW. Paste and change all of these to BMW. Right, so let's try that out as well. Okay guys, decision time. Ford. Let's check out BM. The BM, that's fine. That's not bad actually. Reset, exit. Yeah. So all I just need to do now is copy and paste in. Just change it around. Let's speed that up. Okay, it's all completed for the 4 cars. Alright, that's fine. So maybe I should reduce this to about 5, and let's try it out now. Yeah, so Ford, let's say BM, and this is wrong, and let's see, wrong as well, that's not correct. Let's come back in the code, let's see what I've done wrong. Okay, take this off. So let's try it again. So I have wrong calculation there for the method used for my tax. So let's see one more time. I have 24. No, back in the code. To 9, compile, run. Save. No, that is way too much. Let's see. Okay, that is more like it. That is more like it. That's fine. Oh, 16,000. Yeah, that's not too bad. Alright, so that is fine. Okay, so what we now want to achieve is enter the customer name here and their details. Then if I click on total, I want everything displayed here. So with that, for now, I'm going to call it the end of the third part of this tutorial. I'll see you guys later.